Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 minutes here on Bier, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 minutes here on Bier. I'm Bier and I'm going to be teaching you about the weather today. Right now I am in Cozy Beach, which is on Pratamnak Soy 5. So if you guys haven't been here yet, check out our channel because we'll take a video in a bit.
So you're saying about the weather today, Bier, so here we are on the beach. What would you say if I want to say to someone it's cold today? How would I say cold? I'm cold.
Now.
Now?
Now. So
okay.
Like a now but extended, so now.
Oh, okay, so instead of saying like now, you say now.
Think of meow but with
meow.
an N. So
meow with an M. Meow with a meow. Okay, meow. So now is cold.
Yeah.
And obviously living in Thailand, we often say it's hot today. How would I say it's hot?
Ron.
Lon?
Ron. It's
Ron.
It's an R.
Oh, okay, raw, but most Thai people say lon as well, don't they? Because they struggle there.
It's more like slang, as in lawn, or alai, but we're going to say ron.
Ron, okay.
Yeah.
And if it's not hot, it's not cold, it's just like warm today, what would you say for warm?
Un.
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 Un. Okay, so like sort of like un de toi, that's French I know, but un.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, so we're mixing French and Thai and English. What a great time. Okay, un. So obviously it's quite appropriate today, it's very windy. How would I say, oh, it's windy?
Lom lang.
Lom lang.
Well, it's actually rang, so lom rang.
The trouble is though, isn't it, like R and L
L,
sound the
yeah.
same, yeah. They
It's
pronounce
like saying,
R's with L's, don't they?
It's like saying red lorry, yellow lorry. It's practically impossible for Thais. So it's lom rang, but you can also say lom lang.
Lom lang, okay.
Yeah.
And rain, we've had the rainy season recently, so how would I say, oh, it's raining, it's rain, there's rain?
Phon tok.
Phon tok.
Yeah, phon
Tok.
tok.
And that dok at the end, that's like a D at the beginning, is it like
It's
a
like
dok?
D-O-K, dok.
Okay, cool. So let's just have a quick recap then. So it's cold.
Now.
Now. It's hot.
Ron.
Ron. It's warm.
Un.
Un. It's windy.
Lom rang.
Lom rang.
Yep.
And rain.
Phon tok. Alright, so that's me for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, and obviously we have a bell icon for you to get notifications on my next episode, which will be soon. So thank you for your support, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!